Yo, what's up guys? So how are all of you? I hope you all are well. In this video, I will tell you 11 places to visit in India for a summer vacation. So let's start today's interesting video. Shillong. By now, you know that the Northeast is filled with some of the best places to visit in summer in India. Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East. It has gorgeous lakes, beautiful waterfalls, the Shillong Peak, the Elephant Falls, and the Living Root Bridge. You can do various activities like trekking, camping, and even waterfall rappelling. Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is a famous hill station in Maharashtra. It is well known for its lush greenery as it is blessed with one of the few evergreen forests in India. You should pay a visit to Elephant's Head Point, Vena Lake, and Ligamala Falls. Kalimpong. This hill station has many monasteries that are popular pilgrimage spots for Buddhists. Some of these reverent places of religion are the Pedong monasteries and the Tharpa Choli monasteries. After sightseeing, you can indulge in trekking to the Diolo hill, paragliding above the picturesque valleys, and biking through the quaint town. Mysore. Mysore is the host of the majestic palaces. Some of the most famous tourist spots in Mysore include the Mysore Palace, the Brindavan Gardens, the Sri Chamundeshwar Temple. If you want your summer holidays to be filled with a lesson on culture and values, the trip to Mysore will fill you with lesson on culture and values. Kasol. Kasol is the gem of Himachal Pradesh. It is a small town and is very popular, especially amongst trekkers, backpackers, and nature lovers. You can visit the Gurdwara, Manikaran Sahib, and the Parvati River. And here you can also find a small Tosh village. Oli. Oli is famous for its skiing along the snow-capped slope of the peaks. It is covered with the apple orchards and pine trees. You can also see spectacular Himalayas mesmerizing sight. One of the most exciting activities here is the Oli ropeway, which takes you a ride for a distance of 4 kilometers, giving you the best seat to view the green pastures and meadows down below. Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal can be described in just 3 words: forests, lakes, and waterfalls. The Kodaikanal lake gives you serenity and a piece of history at the Shenbangur Museum. Dharamshala. Apart from its natural beauty, Dharamshala is spiritually significant as it is home to the Dalai Lama. It also has a Tibetan influence on its architecture and culture. You can also experience the electric atmosphere at the Dharamshala Cricket Stadium and can do a lot of adventure sports like trekking, camping, and paragliding. Pondicherry. Pondicherry is also known as the French capital of India because it has remnant of French culture and heritage. It has beaches and cafes dotting. You can walk on the rock beach, bath in spirituality in Auroville, or even succumb to the decadent French cuisine and delicacies. Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji is always covered in misty clouds. During the summers, you can treat yourself to the many cold water springs, waterfalls, and streams. Some of the major attractions here are the Nauka Likai Falls, the double-decker Living Root Bridge, Khasi Monoliths, and the Krem Momluk Cave. If you love the smell of rain, you should visit this place. Ranikhet. Last but not least, one of the best places for summer vacation in India is Ranikhet. Holy shrines, breathtaking nature, and several orchards add to the already beautiful landscape. Some of the most visited places here include the Jhula Devi Temple, the Bhalu Dam, and the famous Upat Golf Course. So don't wait anymore, start planning and have a fun holiday. Thank you.